आता गप्प बसा सिंबा, आता नखरे नको करू. And but one Google it.
मम्मी बस ना गं, आता किती शिट्ट्या करणार आहेस तू कुकरला? ही कुकरची शिट्टी काय असते कुकरला?
Good morning, you guys. First of all, do not mind my deep throat because yesterday I had a very chilled Pepsi in Domino's. So yes, this is the results. Very welcome to this new pimple. And I came to my terrace. Let me show you. Yes, so I came here just to give you the update of what task we are gonna do today. Today's timetable: I'm gonna brush, I'm gonna do coffee, I'm gonna eat something. I have to make one audio for the next cover song. Hope for the best. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
One hour later.
A good hack. So what you need is a mobile phone, a notebook, and a pen, a proper pen. Go on the Google and whatever the song that you want to make cover over it, just Google it and download the lyrics of that song. And one thing you should clear about it, that you have to write the song with your hand, so that you will be more clear about the wording and the lyrics.
बस झालं, तुझं ज्ञान खूप झालं, बस अति झालं. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, चलता है चलता है.
Okay, it's 10:58.
Exam time. We'll meet after 1 hour.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's 11:55 So we are done with our exam. So now I will go and I will take a bath. Ignore behind Pasara.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, now I'm feeling fresh. Also, do not mind the behind Pasara. 12:22. So what next? I'm going to record audio for the cover song, next upcoming cover song. After that, no, first I will take my lunch because it's too late. Everyone watching typical Marathi serial आई कुठे काय करते. Friends, now we will tune our sitar C scale. C. So tuning needs accuracy and patience. Now we will record.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I just finished the recording and I don't know, but I'm so confused about that song because that song is I think somehow old. I mean, not a trending song, but you know, there are some songs which never get old, so I think that song is one of them. So yeah, I'm excited how the recording will turn out. So here is the vlog comes to an end. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down what other videos you want me to do.
Also, what else? Nothing.